coming in this Prajapati and this Prajapati. Good Prajapati.
वंदेहं श्रीगुरु श्रीयुतपदकमलं श्रीगुरून् वैष्णवांश्च श्रीरूपं साग्रजातं सहगण रघुनाथान्वितं तं सजीवं साद्वैतं सावधूतं परिजनं कृष्ण चैतन्यदेवं श्रीराधा कृष्णपादान् सहगण ललिता श्रीविशाखान्वितां च नीलाचलनिवासाय नित्याय परमात्मने बलभद्रसुभद्राभ्यां जगन्नाथाय ते नमः। त्वमादिदेव करुणानिधानं तमालवर्णं सुहृदावतारम् अपार संसारसमुद्रसेतुं भजामहे भागवतस्वरूपम् अंगस्यामलिमछटाभिरवितो मिन्दीकृतिन्दिवरं जाड्यं जागुडरुचिसां विदधतं पटाम्बरं च श्रियां बृन्दारण्यविलासिनो हृदि लसत् दामाभिरामोदरं राधास्कन्दनिवेशितजलभुजं ध्यायेमदामोदरम् श्रीकृष्ण चैतन्य प्रभु नित्यानंद श्री अद्वैत गदाधर श्रीवासादि गौर भक्तवृंद हरे कृष्ण 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 हरे 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 राम 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 हरे हरे। नमामि गौरं सच्चिदानन्दरूपम् लसत्कुण्डलं गोकुले भ्राजमानं नमामि यशोदाभियोलुखलाब्धवमानं परामृष्टमर्त्या ततोदित्य गोप्या नमामि स्वरं सच्चिदानन्दरूपं सत्कुण्डलं गोकुले भ्राजमानम् उदन्तं मुहुर्नेत्रयुगं भुजन्तं कराम्भुजयुग्मेन शातङ्कनेत्रं रुदन्तं मुहुश्वासकम्पतिरेखाङ्ककण्ठं स्थितग्रीवदामोदरं भक्तिबद्धम् नमामि स्वरं सच्चिदानन्दरूपं रसत्कुण्डलं गोकुले भ्राजमानम् गीतिदृक्स्वलीलाभिरानन्दकुण्डे स्वघोषङ्निमजन्तम् आख्यापयन्तम् तदीयसितज्ञेषु भक्तिर्जित त्वं पुनः प्रेमतस्तं शतावृत्ति वन्दे नमामि स्वरं सच्चिदानन्दरूपं रसत्कुण्डलं गोकुले विराजमानम् वरं देवमोक्षं न मोक्षावधिं वा न चान्यं वृणेऽहं वरेशादपीह शिवन्तेव पूर्णाथ गोपालबालं सदा मे मनसा विरास्ताङ्की मन्ये नमामि स्वरं सच्चिदानन्दरूपं रसत्कुण्डलं गोकुले भजमानं नमामि इदन्ते मुखाम्भुजमत्यन्तनीले वृतं कुन्तले स्निग्धरक्तिश्च गोप्या मुहुः शुम्बितं बिम्बरक्ताधरं मे मनस्या विरास्ताङ्गलं लक्ष्यलाभे नमामि स्वरं सच्चिदानन्दरूपं रसत्कुण्डलं गोकुले भजमानम् नमो देवदामोदरानन्तविष्णु प्रसिद्ध प्रभो दुःखजालाधिमग्नम् कृपादृष्टिवृष्ट्यातिदीनं वतानं दुहाणे समामज्ञमेधकीदृश नमामि स्वरं सच्चिदानन्दरूपं रसत्कुण्डलं गोकुले भजमानम् कुबेरात्मजो बधमूर्ते वजद्वत् त्वयामोचितौ भक्तिभाजौ कृतौ च तथा प्रेम भक्तिं स्वकामे प्रयच्छ न मुख्ये ग्रहो मेस्ति दामोदरेह नमामि स्वरं सच्चिदानन्दरूपं रसत्कुण्डलं गोकुले भजमानम् नमस्तेस्तु धाम्ने स्फुरदित्तिधाम्ने तदियोदरायस्य विश्वस्य धाम्ने नमो राधिकायै त्वदीयप्रियायै नमो नन्तलीलाय देवाय तुभ्यं नमो राधिकायै त्वदीयप्रियायै नमो नन्तलीलाय देवाय तुभ्यं नमो राधिकायै दामोदर राधा दामोदर दया कर राधा दामोदर दया कर राधा दामोदर दया कर राधा दामोदर जय राधे जय राधे जय राधे जय श्री राधे हरे कृष्णा कृष्ण कृष्ण हरे 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 राम 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 हरे हरे Hare Gaura Hari Bol Hari Bol Hari Bol Hari Gaura Hari Bol Gaura Premanande Hari Hari. The first of all, I offer my Sastanga Dandavat to Srila Guru Pada Padma Nityalila Vishnu Vasula Bhakta Guru Goswami Maharaj, Nityalila Bhakti Vanjanardhan Goswami Maharaj, Nityalila Bhakti Vedanta Swami Maharaj Prabhupada, all our Guru Vargas and with associates, Srila Nityalila Pravishta Bhakti Siddhanta Swami Thakur Prabhupada Parama Gurudev, and all our Parampara Acharyas, we beg their causeless mercy. I respect and love to all Vaishnavas and Vaishnavis who are present and participated in our program. Today, very auspicious day. In this month of Kartik, there are many festivals in this month, like Radha Damodar and Govardhan and Gopashtami. Krishna went to take care of cows. That is also festival day. And Bhatru Titiya, Yamuna Devi's, after Govardhan there is one program there. So, in this way, in this month, many festivals there. Also, today is Radha Kunda's appearance day. We know Radha Kunda is most topest Leela Khetra, Leela place in our Gaudiya Siddhanta. Srila Rupa Goswami, in his Nectar of Instruction, he told two verses. One verse he told, Vaikunthat janita bara madhupuri tatrapi rasuschavad vrindaranyamudara pani ramana tathrapi govardhana radha kundamihapi gokulapatehe premamruta plavanat kuryadasya virajat giritate sevang vivekina kaha. He told who are Vivekis. Viveki means who have judged, who is judging, discriminate, and compare to each other place which is supreme. So, in our Vedic philosophy, there are dharma, artha, kama, moksha, 4 purushartha. Who are following the religion, then earning money, enjoying sense gratification, then get liberation. Liberation means go to spiritual planet, Vaikuntha. Because here all are under control of time, and birth and death is compulsory. So everything is temporary. Up to Brahma's planet Satyaloka, Punaravartino Juno. In Gita told, Brahma Bhuvanaluka Punaravartino Juno. Mamupitya tu kuntyo punarjanmana vidyate. He told, Brahma Bhuvanaluka, up to Brahma, all this planetary system, they have birth and death. But who come to me, my planet, there is no death or birth. See, beyond the time, Kala. There are many verses there. In Vaikuntha planet, in spiritual planet, there are many also degrees there. According their rasa, bhava, they have different service. And they do service there with his eternal associates. And in the liberation, who can go to spiritual planet, who get liberation, mukhya, 5 types of this liberation explained in scriptures. Salokya, Samipya, Sarasti, Sajujya, and Sarupya. Who are living in Salokya, they live there like trees and like any, here like stone and others. They stay, who are passive state, that is Salokya, and they live in this spiritual planet. And Sarupya, who got 4 armored body, spiritual body, like Vaikuntha, their opulence. So they receive change, transform to 4 armored body. Sarupya, Samipya, who are living near Narayana there. And Sarasti, they also get their opulence and they are more like Narayana's, their Vibhuti. Sarasti there, they Aishwarya, they will get there. And another is Sajujya, who actually merged, becomes the ornaments and seed, dress, like these 5 types of liberation are there. But there is no service there. Among service, there are according to passive state and servitude mood and friendship mood, parental mood, conjugal mood. So this service mood started from Dasya, Sakhya, Vatsalya, Madhura. In Vaikuntha planet, they are there. But there is no this Vatsalya, this birth pastime. Everyone, they meditate, they pray to him, and they glorify him. They do service, many service. Krishna have many universes. They take in charge, they do service also, they do their individual service, many services there. But Rupa Goswami told, Vaikunthat Janita Vara Madhupuri. Madhupuri Vara. Madhupuri is superior. Madhupuri means Mathura, where Krishna appeared like a baby, human baby. Human baby means, how is, there is nothing to do. Just everything to mother, father, they have to do. They want them to service. Other creatures, they after birth, they go, they do maintain, they can walk, they can eat, they can do anything. But human, after birth, they can't do, only they cry. So Krishna also cry there. So this is then mother, father, they do everything. That is service. They become happy to do service, and they enjoy. Mother also enjoying, father also enjoy this. Vatsalya rasa. So Krishna also enjoy. So this is the birth of Mathura place is more superior than Vaikuntha, he told. Actually, this Siddhanta is not actually suffering by this material energy, Tritapa, there, Adhidaivika, Adhyatmika, Adhibhautika, physically, mentally, they are suffering. This, the discrimination should not apply here. This is Leela, Leela Rasa. Who knows the science of Leela, all these sufferings, what we see, looks like suffering, nothing is suffering. It is actually the part of Leela. Sufferings also there, part of Leela. No suffering, then no pleasure, looks like suffer. This is Leela. Leela means like a drama, movie. Suffering is there, but more dramatic coming, more charming comes. Same here in the Leela Rasa, devotees, they enjoy this. Jnani se karmis yogis, they cannot enjoy because they karmis, they think this is Maya. Jnanis, they think this is also Maya. They don't accept, but bhaktas, they accept this is Leela, Krishna's Leela. Therefore, Mathura is more superior because devotees, they can do service according their love. They cannot do in Vaikuntha. But Krishna is there like baby, but in Vrindavan, there is Udara Pani Ramana, he told. Udara Pani Ramana means in Vrindavan, he danced, he was singing and dancing and playing with his hands in the Rasa Leela. Mostly it is more efficiency Leela. Udara Pani Ramana, with every gopis he was together among two, one, and they did this Rasa Leela. So here told, Vaikunthat Janita Vara Madhupuri Tatrapi Rasutsavat. Rasa Utsav. this Rasa dance festival was in Vrindavan, that is more superior than Mathura. This Leela is more superior. Then Rasa Vrindaranya Mudara Pani Ramana Tatrapi Govardhana. Then from Vrindavan, Govardhan is superior. Why? Govardhan, Krishna was doing many pastimes there. There is many kundas and ponds and caves, and in the mountain, fountain there, and with the cows, with the cowherd boys and others all together, in Govardhan, there are more secret pastimes there, many pastimes there. Every cave, they perform many pastimes. So Govardhana is more superior. Radha Kunda Mihapi Gokula Patehe Prema Amrita Plavanat. In Govardhan, there is Radha Kunda. There are many kundas there, Radha Kunda, Shama Kunda, Lalita Kunda, Govinda Kunda, and Apsara Kunda, Narada Kunda, many Kunda. Kunda means pond. So they are Manasa Sarovama, there is Manasi Ganga there. Krishna was also playing with gopis there. All they are swimming there. Did many pastime of this boat. Now Bihar. And Radha Kunda is there. So Rupa Goswami told here, Govardhanaha Radha Kunda Mihapi Gokulapatehe Premamruta Plavanat Kuriyadasya Virajatva Giritate Sevanki Bakina Giritate Govardhan, near Govardhan, is Radha Kunda there. What is Radha Kunda there? Now Radha Kunda's speciality is Radharani with Sakhis, they constructed this pond. They take out the clay and they did this herself. Why she did this? To competition with Krishna. Why the competition? Then this Leela pastimes came in Bhagavatam there. We are now discussing this Jugala Gita, 35th chapter. Then next chapter come Aristasura. His name is Arusta demon. Demon's name was Arista. And Kansa sent him to kill Krishna Balaram. So he came, a big bull, very big bull. And when he came to Vrindavan, he was just roaring and his tail was moving, these clouds moving by his tail, and his horns are very sharp. So when they saw to him anyone, they just feared, they ran away. All cows, when they saw this bull, and when this bull was looking, say everyone afraid, even if Bhagavatam wrote, they avert the cows, their baby from the womb with fear. So she was running and is fearing to everyone, destroy the Vrindavan, their house. So that time Krishna was playing with the gopis in a cave, in a kunja. So they were there, and after this, all Vrindavana inhabitants, gopis and others, the cows, they called to Krishna. Krishna, where are you? Now we are dying. This demon came and we are suffering. Please save us. When they die, then Radharani told to Krishna, oh, now big danger is come, calamity came, you go and protect them. So Krishna came. Krishna came with his coward boys there, Shivala Sudam, Madhumangala there, and when he came to front of this bull, he's like big bull, then Krishna lamps, he told, hey, demon, I am here, why you are fearing this, innocent? I came from you, so come here. When Krishna started to calling with his chivalrous mood, then Aristasura sadhu Krishna, immediately he started to roaring and come to kill with his sharp horn to Krishna. Then Krishna what did? He caught his two horn and push him, throw him like 500 meters. He fell down there. He never thought that a small boy has so much power. He never imagined this. Then he's got a pain in his bones and legs and back pain started because of forcefully to throw him. Anyway, he woke up and again he prepared for another stroke. He prepared and he jumped. Then he came again to push to Krishna. Then now Krishna just caught him. Then he moved him and threw him. Then he passed his stool and urine and all this. The soul and air, life air, go from his body in backside with fear, not downwards, not upwards. This is one also we have to know. Who lived this body in death time, who has fear and anger, lust, all these emotions there, the soul will go like a passing stool there. Mostly happening this. Many people they have got because they fear death time. So in Bhagavad Gita told, in the death time, who have this kama, krodha, bhaya, loho, prayana kale, when leave this body, if this kind of the tamasic, rajasic, this mood is coming there, then they will go to hell. Krividham narakasyaidam dvarang nasanam atmanah kama krodho tatha lobho tasmat etatrayam tyajet. In Bhagavad Gita he told. This three are the door of hell. So who pass the lifetime in the last moment, if they practice chanting Harinam and meditate to Krishna, remember to Krishna, then they will go to spiritual planet. Yang jang vapi swarana bhavam tyajityanti kalevaram tang tame veiti kunteya sada tadabhava bhavitaha. Death time, who remember what they remember, according to remembrance and the bhava, they will get another body. This is the principle of the creation system. But here, Krishna himself there, so Krishna did not send them all demons to hell. He gave them liberation. He gave service to Putana. She got like a mother's service there. Dhatricitangati he offered to her. But other demons, some they got also merged in his body, like Aghasura and Shishupala and others. Some he sent to Salokya, to go there, like Batshasura and Bakasura, many. So he offered to this bull this liberation. Because they are also fortunate because they die by Krishna. This is his mercy, his compassion. They are fortunate. By touch, they saw to Krishna, they remember to Krishna, but its mood is unfavorable, not bhakti. Still, they are also fortunate. Here, Krishna offered him liberation, but because he was a bull, according to our Vedic religion, if somebody kill one bull or cow, this is a great sin, Mahapap, Gohatya. So all Sakhis and Sakhas all are there, and they saw Krishna killed him. Then they did not praise to Krishna. They should praise to Krishna. Always they praise to Krishna after kill the demon. But here gopis, by their conjugal mood of love, they say, oh, why you kill such a big bull? That bull we can keep here in Vrindavan. So we have a nice generation come by bull with the demon. So they told to Krishna, you killed one bull, you have great sin now. You should not touch us and you should not stay with us, because who has the sin, if they touch them or they associate with them, the sin also affect them. So they don't touch, like coronavirus. You cannot touch. Even if you talk, also this virus can enter. So you have to put on a mask there, cover this body. Now this is scientifically, they are approved this. Before in Vedic religion, this to touch to everyone, it is not actually allowed this. But before they do not understand what is the problems comes by touching. Now they don't do now handshake, they don't kiss. Now they will say, okay, namaste. They say this. Yes. So they told, we don't touch you, you should not come to us. Then if their friends, all Sakhis, if they don't associate the how Krishna can enjoy this Leela, he told, no, you say what atonement I need to purify myself. They told you have to go to take bath in pilgrimage in rivers, Ganga, Yamuna, Saraswati, Narmada, Sindhu, Kaveri, the sacred rivers, Lokomatara. In the Purana, certainly Lokomatara means they are mother of these all creatures. So they clean there They drink, they cure their body, they free from their sinful activities, they become healthy mind. Before was pure water, that was as written. Now in Kali Yuga, all contaminated by all the system of the human. All they throw, drain, many chemicals, factories they made, all they contaminated. Now they are only buying these plastic bottles. This is more contaminated, but nobody understands. So they tell you go to take bath there. Then Krishna told, okay, if I will call all rivers come here, I can take bath here, no problem. Then it will know we don't believe this. We know you know many black magics. You can do many things. We don't believe this. Then we don't believe, okay, I will do this. You see? Then he, by his flute, when he touches the earth to take some earth, then all Ganga appear there, and Yamuna appear there, Saraswati, Narmada, Sindhu, Kaveri, Pushkar, all appeared there. And they became wondering, like fountain there, they came, and Krishna they just there. So all Krishna did Abhishek. They did, he just took Snan. And Krishna told, now, you see, I became pure. Now you also come. You can take bath here. Shyamukunda. First appeared Shyamukunda. Then they told her, no. Sakis told, we don't take bath in your kunda because all this, your kunda, your pond became contaminated by you. So we will take bath our own self. So by their love, transcendental love, actually, they make this pastime from their heart, from their mood of their conjugal love. They told, no, we make our own pond. So what they did, Radharani opened her this bundle, kankan, this armlet, and she started to dig there. Here, Lalita and Vishakha, all Sakhis, they told, yes, we should not touch to his water, we will take our water and we don't want to go enter your pond. Then they went to bring also water from Manasi Ganga, there near Govardhana there, Manasi Ganga. Their Ganga appeared there for Namda Baba, want to go to take bath in Ganga Snan. And then all these rivers, they are mothers, also they are Sakhis. They appeared there. With folded hand, they told to Radharani, O Bragolekeshwari, Vrindavaneshwari, Raseshwari, Krishna Priye, why don't you accept us to serve you? Then Radharani told, you appeared there in Shyamkunda, so there all this bull who killed, you are contaminated there, how we can go to take bath there? Then he told, no, we also appeared here. In Radhakunda they also appeared there. All these sacred rivers, they appeared there. Then Radhakunda became full of this water. Prema Amruta Plavana. This Prema Amruta water, liquefied transcendental love of Sri Radharani. This became Radhakunda and Shyamkunda. Then after they dance, they swim there. Then Krishna and Radharani's, this both kunda joined together Yogamaya Purnamasi, she organized. All water became one inside. Radha Kunda, Shyam Kunda, like same Radha and Krishna, they are existing there. This pond, Radha Kunda, there are many pastimes. In midday, Radharani comes to worshipping Surya. There many pastimes is written in Goswami by Goswamis in Govinda Leela Amrita. So they come near is Kusuma Sarovar there, forest there. They come to pick of flowers. So they join there and do many pastimes there. They are worshipping also Kali. There, that is another pastime there we can discuss one day. So this Radhakunda is the most top place. How they were discussing each other. They are united there. They meet there, but they have many different pastimes there. So these pastimes, how they were talking with also Madhumangala comes, he was like a priest to worship, to take more laddu to eat. So Madhumangala was priest there, pujari there, and they meet together. This place is most top benefit for all the devotees. So Rupa Goswami told, Sevang Viveki na kaha, who are Vivekis, who are discriminates, where they will go except Radha Kunda there. So today this Radha Kunda's appearance day, when Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, 500 years before he appeared, and he went to Vrindavan, he went to also take a bath in Radha Kunda, but at that time there was a paddy field. They are cultivating their paddy. So Chaitanya Mahaprabhu asked one local villager there. He told, where is Radha Kunda and Shyam Kunda? Nobody knows this. Mahaprabhu told, oh, by this time of Kali Yuga, these tirthas, they disappeared. So now again to revive this is necessary. So he went there in a paddy field, he took bath there. He put their water there and he remembered. Then after Mahaprabhu came, he sent to Sanatana Goswami, Rupa Goswami, Jiva Goswami, Raghunath Radhas Goswami, Gopala Bhatta, Raghunath Bhatta Goswami. They all went and he told them to again Lupta Tirtha Udhar, which tirthas, this memorial place, sacred places, which is covered, again revive this. And Radha Kunda, when Raghunath Das Goswami was there, he was living in Govardhan. Now Raghunath Das Goswami's Samadhi is in Radha Kunda. He was staying there and he constructed one rich man came and Raghunath Das Goswami. Actually, he went to Badrinath, and Badrinath he told, you go to Vrindavan and meet with Raghunath Das, and you do service there. So he came and he constructed this Radha Kunda and the Shyam Kunda, what we see in present time. Raghunath Das Goswami's presence, they did this. All this Vrindavan now, what we see, Echaya Gosai Jabe Braje Koile Vas, Radha Krishna Litya Lila Korile no Prakas. All these 6 Goswams, now when they went to Vrindavan, again they fixed all memory tirthas there. Everywhere this 84 crores are there, and we see now. So today is Radha Kunda. This water is actually this liquid of the transcendental love. So all Radha Kunda ki jai. So today we discuss this. Already past time. Only one Govinda Damodara Madhava we will chant and take rest. Gaur Premanande Hari Hari Bo. गृहे गृहे गोपवधू समूह प्रतीक्षण पिंजर सारिकाणां गृहे प्रतीक्षण पिंजर सारिकाणां स्खलद्गिरां वाचयितुं प्रभृतो गोविंद दामोदर माधवेति गोविंद दामोदर माधवेति गोविंद दामोदर माधवेति पर्यकिकां भाजमलं कुमारं प्रस्वापयन्तोऽखिलगोपकन्या जगुः प्रबन्धं स्वरतालबन्धं गोविन्द दामोदर माधवेति गोविन्द दामोदर माधवेति गोविन्द दामोदर माधवेति राधे राधे गोविंद गोविंद राधे 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 गोविंद गोविंद राधे राधे राधा दामोदर गोविंद राधे राधे राधा दामोदर गोविंद राधे राधे राधा माधव गोविंद राधे राधे राधा माधव गोविंद राधे 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 जय जय श्री राधे 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 हरे कृष्णा कृष्ण कृष्ण हरे 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 राम 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 हरे 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 कृष्णा कृष्ण कृष्ण हरे हरे हरि बोल हरि बोल हरि हरि गौर हरि बोल हरि बोल हरि और प्रेमानंदे हरि हरि जय श्री गुरु गौरांग गिरिधारी गोविंद अपनाथ मदन मोहन जीव की जय राधा दामोदर जीव की जय समस्त गुरु वर्ग की जय आनंद गुरु वैष्णव मंद की जय विष्णु महाराज की जय विवाह सर्वधि प्रभु की जय जय श्री अम्बर प्रभु की राम सदा प्रभु की जय ऑल डिवोटीज की जय गौर प्रेमानंदी हरि हरि बोल
महाराज की जय।
They are many in this English, Spanish, and Italian, and also in Facebook Live. Many are in space in Facebook Live. जय महाराज साधु महाराज की जय हो जी महाराज from Vienna.
और प्रेमानंद है
हरि हरि बोल
हरि
गोलोकानंद